all fucking day. They just make noise all fucking day. These people in the suburbs. These people in the suburbs, they just fucking make noise with power tools all day. If it ain't one thing, it's another thing. John Deere this. Drills, fucking saws and shit. It's like fucking 5 o'clock on Saturday, Gus. You gotta stop over there. You're a jerk off. I can't take these people. I can't stand them. I'm just trying to get a little sun. Get a little sun. Maybe rest a little bit. And you got this. Oh, he shut it. There he goes again. He wasn't done. This other guy's chopping wood like a fucking lumberjack for his fire pit, which is cool, I guess. You can buy a bag of A&P for fucking $6. Get a whole bunch of wood for $6. He has to be a fucking lumberjack. You know? I don't know. Anyway, alright, the noise stopped. We're good for a quick minute, I think. Let's see. Yep, good. We're good. Time for a little snoozerella.